So we're going to install the speaker lids on the 2024 Road Glide. Installing the mechanism, everything is the same, so check out the link below for that video. And we're going to speed up this process and just show you how it looks when it's done.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, it's important to note when you're putting on your speaker lids, you need some space. Okay, so we're gonna have to drill a hole into the lid so that we have the room to put our screw into our handle. So you're gonna try to get it as centered in the hole as you can. And then a bigger bit for the head of the screw to fit through. So here's where we use our handiwork. Remember to put Loctite on that screw for the handle. All right, we're gonna put the seal in now. And by we, I mean me. I'm just going through my little process of dry fitting it. You only get to do this once. Make it count. It's another good project for like the OCD brain. That was satisfying. We're going to upgrade the speaker system at a later date. Right now, we're just going to install the grill onto the lid. Very simple. Pops on from the top. And then you just have to flip it over and you'll screw it in from the bottom. Grill. Put on the tether. Okay. That one fit. Get my fingerprints off it so no one can identify me. A job well done, friends. Speaker lids, check. Next up, you tell us.